Welcome back to my channel. This is Hazel, Hildreth, and today we're here helping to feed 100 people for dinner.
They're not yet here.
We're serving a steak, mixed vegetables, and
Steak, mashed potatoes, some
and
desserts,
baked beans,
salads.
and salad, and brownie, and dessert.
So yeah,
Have the baked potatoes, we have the mixed vegetables, and we have the beans, and we have the ojos. We have the salad dressing. This is a salad with tomato. Just a simple salad with just a lettuce and a tomato. And you can put some dressing. And it will be tasty. Muna siya yung vegetables.
This is where we start. Oh, I'm coming.